Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Our family definitely needed a little bit more ventilation in our kitchen, and we tried out this awesome fan from Fanbulous. This fan is so whisper quiet, and I love the decor and styling of it. The fan was an easy installation. It required a little bit of wiring in our kitchen. We did already have an existing wiring setup, so it was quite easy. The blades themselves are 52-inch span, so you really get a nice amount of ventilation from this fan. Even at the highest speed, this fan does not shake. It's super, super impressive. We opted for the black side down, but you do have an option to go with the lighter gray if you want to flip those blades over. The cage around the light has a beautiful grid design, so it really mimics a farmhouse style. And it did come with light bulbs. They are really nice and bright with white LED lighting. The fan itself, as I mentioned, is so whisper quiet. It comes with a remote, which is really responsive, and you have options so that you can set it on a timer, and it ranges from 1 to 6 speeds. I am so impressed by how quiet it is and how it does not have any shaking while you're running it, even at that high speed. Our kitchen does get quite warm in the summertime, so I'm really looking forward to being able to use this fan and feel those nice cool breezes that come out of it, but without hearing all the sound. And that's just my point of view.